and this is the pocket. Then I'm coming here by what? By 1.2 to give it a kind of a straight line like this. Or let me say 1. I'm coming by 1. Give me a straight line like this. After I arrive at that, then I'll make sure that what? I'll iron it. Not iron completely, so just to make it balance for me, so that I can draft the pattern. Then the next thing on this side too, I'll come in by what? 1 inches too, or let's say close to 1 this way. Then I'll be having something like this. Then for the down part, I'll come by what? 1. Then I'll blend it with this like this. Cut it. So this is how I'll draft the pocket design out. So when I open the pocket now, this is what I'll have, like this. So after having something like this is what I'll have. Then I'll place it on the material like this. Once I place it on the material, after ironing it, then trim it out like ½ inches all round, this side, this way. So the next thing now, this inner side now, I'll come out by what? ½ inches, like this, like this. This is what I'm going to trim out from here. Then I will cut here, and once here to give me that balancing. Let's go. So after cutting this, please, while cutting this side, please be careful to notch it. Don't mistakenly cut it. Make sure that you stop at that place that you feel the collar. So you cut it gently like this. Once you arrive at that, then you make sure that you iron it neatly. After you iron it, this is what you are going to get. Then make sure that I'm going to make use of this background same too. Then I'll apply a kind of Este gum on the. Already I have ironed the Este gum on this background. You'll see what I'm going to do with it. Then the next thing now, I'll fold this side by ½ inches this way. Then I will do a kind of a printing on it. This is how I'm going to do the printing on it, like ½ inches printing. Sorry, ½ inches gap on it. Make sure that you make use of this to give you that relaxation. Then you have this. So what I need to do now, I'll make use of this, my hemming gum. Then attach this together with it. As you can see, I'm making use of the hemming gum. Attach it together like this. Then from this inner part now, I'm going to still run the stitches on it. It's not like I'm going to leave the hemming gum directly on it. Then half of this will go for this. This is how it's going to be. You can see it now. So after I arrive at that, I'll make sure that I'll cut this. This serve as my kind of a belt tool. This way. This is my belt hole. I don't need it much like that. So this belt hole now, by the time I stitch it this way, it will appear somewhere here like this. And I will insert my button on it. So while I'm on the machine, I will show you how you do this. I've already matched it with my hemming gum. So I'm going to start the sewing here. I'll just match it here this way. Then I'll also match, I can follow it inside bit by bit and one by one. Then I'll match it, but I'll make sure that my sewing did not appear outside. This way, just to hold it down. You can as well apply hemming gum on it, but I don't need hemming gum on it. So after matching this one down, the next thing, we make the rope. Before the iron that part, the next thing, I'll start my sewing from the center point of this. Make sure that you set it, let it be in between. The next thing, I'll start sewing, sew it gently. Should I sew it gently? So you insert this on it like this. So once you are through, this is the pocket now. Once you are through, you turn it inside. You cut this excess out. Then you take it to your machine, to your table now. Then make sure that you iron these parts and apply your hemming gum on it. This is the finishing part of the pocket now. You can see how clean it is.